So another AQA paper, another wordy question. Quite a strange little quirky one. This don't come up very often, but let's see how we go about this one. Personally, it's quite a weird question, this. So there's a few ways of going about it, but I'm noticing later on in the question it mentions 1 minute to fill the ball. So although I normally recommend you take things one line at a time, there's actually a key bit of information coming away. So it goes against my sort of train of thought on this one. But here we go anyway. So, first line, a ball contains 5,000 centimeters cubed of air. So I'm going for 5,000 centimeters cubed. But then on the second line, there's some air being pumped in at the rate of 160 centimeters cubed per second. So bearing in mind what I've said, I'm taking the lead that it's going to take a minute to fill the ball. So I'm going to do some calculations. I'm going to multiply that by 60. So let's assume the ball's been filling for 60 seconds. We now know its volume. It's going to reach 14,600 centimeters cubed if it fills for 60 seconds. Let's carry that thought process ahead to the next stage. Does it take less than a minute to fill the ball? So the idea being, if I find the radius at 60 seconds, we're kind of hoping that the radius is bigger than 15. So this actually becomes a pretty strange solving question where we put the formula that they've given you for the volume of a sphere equals to the volume if it's filled for 15 seconds. So now we do some unpicking. So grab hold of your calculator and do some opposites. So take your 14,600 in your calculator, get rid of the divide by 3 by multiplying by 3. Get rid of the 4 by dividing by 4. Get rid of your multiply by pi. Yep, divide by pi. And then at the end, we're going to need to cube root our answer. I get 3,487.261 and so on. Cube root that answer, and you're getting 15.6 and so on. So at 60 seconds, the radius is over 15 centimeters. So as you can see, tell the examiner it reaches the 15 centimeters required before the 60 seconds are up. Let's not forget, we were cube rooting. I just didn't write it. So again, bit of a quirky one, this. Couple of ways of going about it, but I think that's the best way to earn the marks. Assume it's filling for 60 seconds. Find the volume based on that. So yeah, not the most common one, but certainly worth having a go at, certainly worth being prepared for it. Still go with one line at a time, but yeah, there is an important bit of information there which I kind of pulled to use earlier on. So again, hope that helps. See you on the next one.